Welcome to another Femitech video tutorial. For this video, I will be looking at the Amazon Basic Rolling Laptop Case. I will be giving you 5 reasons why you need to buy one. 1. If you are a professional and you need a bag that is well built, comfortable, and easy to handle, then this is the perfect bag for you. 2. For those who are neat and organized, this bag was made for you. This is due to the fact that it comes with a front compartment that will allow you to store your pens, notepads, and business cards. 3. If you are someone who does not really like those small laptops but still prefers your 15-inch laptop, then this laptop bag is the perfect fit for you. 4. For all those business professionals who have to travel on a regular basis and need a bag that is lightweight but at the same time has enough space, you need search no more. The Amazon Basic Rolling Laptop Case is waiting for you. 5. It is mobile on 2 rolling wheels. Please click the link below to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and share the video. Also click that subscription button now.